Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this radio is out of a 70 Barracuda, belongs to Paul in Oakland Township, Michigan. Paul has requested the modern internal conversion wired to the original connector, so we've only got two speaker outputs, and the output power will be roughly equal to the original, but on the other hand, it plugs right back in and plays immediately, so there's no hassles with speaker wiring or anything. So let's go ahead and Paul has requested the conversion with the Bluetooth, so we'll be testing that as well. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get in my area, so let's go ahead and turn it on. It's the AM, and we'll just check our balance control all the way left, right. Okay, kind of center. Don't need these anymore. Okay, let's go. Let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so we know the Bluetooth is working. Let's move over to FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area, so we can get through this test quickly.
Of a cultural apologetic.
We got some good vibes, all right?
And that's it. That's it. There's nothing else to test. The Bluetooth works, the AM and FM work, the tone control works, and the balance control works. That's the whole thing. I'm a lot more used to radios with the built-in 8-track that have a lot longer testing procedures, but that's it for this one. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. If you'd like to reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below. Printing out a work order will tell you all my prices and options, including options for turnaround time. So please do visit my website and print out a work order before calling me with a 15-minute barrage of questions that begin with what all do you do and how much is it. There's just no time for that anymore. Thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Paul, for your business all the way from Michigan, and we'll see you guys next time.